Hi there, this is Vet Tech Missy coming to you with an exciting new topic that I wanted to talk about today. Today we're going to talk about ear cleaning, and we'll just use a dog as an example for today. So to do ear cleaning, you're going to need a couple things. So I got a ear cleaner here. This is just a regular kind of ear cleaner. It does it's a cleansing, it has a drying agent as well, and it's not irritating. It even just states that all on the bottle there. So I have this bottle of ear cleaner here. You can use cotton balls or you can use gauze squares, which this is what I have. I don't have cotton balls, but those will work just as well. So you want to have these two items here. You don't want to use cotton swabs. The only time you would use a cotton swab is to clean the outside of the ears, and I'll show you as an example when I do the ear cleaning. But I do have a couple of those, but you never want to go inside the ears with these, and I'll show you as I get to it. But these are the items you're going to need to do the ear cleaning, and I'll be right back, and we'll show you how to do it. Okay, and we're back, and I have my somewhat willing participant, Bella, here. She has currently she has an ear issue going on, and she definitely needs her ears cleaned. She's been scratching and, shaking her head, and, well, she needs them cleaned. So, what we're going to do to start off, now, she's not going to like this, but, so I have my bottle of ear cleaner here, and I have it opened. So let me hold her in a position that she can't get away. So we're going to open the ear like this. We're going to pour some directly in the ear. I know some of it might drain out. Okay, so now that we poured ear cleaner right in the ear, we're going to let it sit. Okay, now we're going to rub that ear. Look at that. You want to hear that squishy noise? This is kind of loosening up any debris that is in there, softening the debris to help easily clean it out. You want to do this for 20 to 30 seconds, and she is loving this because her ears have been bugging her. So there we are. Okay, I think that's good. Now, let me dry my hands off here. All right, so we're going to take one of our cotton squares, or gauze, okay, and we're going to wipe that ear out. Oh, she loves it. Okay, so let's wipe that ear really good. You see what I'm getting here? Brown, gooey, gross stuff. Okay. I think she might have like a yeast infection on her ears. She's prone to ear problems. She's had them a lot during her life. So this is just one of many ear cleanings she's received, and she does not like it. So look, we're getting all that gross brown stuff out of her ears. Let's see how they look. Now, these Q-tips, you never want to go inside the ear with them like that. You just only time you'd want to use a Q-tip is to clean the folds of the outer ear, like these little folds here. You don't want to go inside the ear canal with them because you can hurt them, push debris further in, which is no good. And she's like, get out of my ear. See, I'm just kind of wiping around the folds of her ears, and she loves this. She does. Yeah, see, we're getting a little bit of gross stuff. And, well, as well, most of the times the dogs will shake out the excess ear cleaner that's in their ears, but you want to kind of try to get as much residue out as possible. But this ear cleaner has a drying agent to it, so it should help dry the ears as well. So I'm kind of cleaning the ears, and she loves this because it's itchy. So we got one ear pretty much clean. Now let me try the other ear here because I know she's not going to like this. So hold on. She's like, oh no, not this. Okay, so Bella. Okay, so we got some in the ear. This is typical. Most dogs do not like their ears cleaned. So we're going to do the same thing we did with the other ear. Oh, this is Duke, my other dog. He's looking like, what's going on? Anyway, so we're going to talk about ear infections are basically something called otitis externa. And how to know if your dog has an ear infection currently? Well, they will be scratching, shaking their heads, rubbing their ears on different surfaces like the rug or the couch, discharge from the ears, bad odors from the ears, thickening of the ear tissue in their ears, redness, swelling, and painful and sensitive ears themselves. So if you go to touch your dog's ears and if they react pretty painfully or like it hurts, then you know you have a problem. Reasons why they get ear infections. big time allergies, parasites even, ear mites can be in their ears. Um, Infections such as a yeast infection or bacterial infection, trauma from scratching. If they're scratching their ears and they start scratching up the inside of their ears, that can cause a lot of problems in there and make things even worse. They can get like secondary skin infections, which is just, hell to treat. Moist environments. So if you get a lot of water in your dog's ears and it doesn't get out, and basically that's a nice little environment to cause an ear infection for your dog. Let's see, what else could I tell you? Dogs that are more prone to getting ear infections, which would be like floppy-eared dogs, ones with longer ears, because those kind of ears help trap in moisture. So those dogs you got to really be mindful of, like Cocker Spaniels, Beagles, Basset Hounds, etc. Those kind of dogs. But it's all about prevention. If you clean your dog's ears, 1 to 2 times a week, you can help prevent problems like this, and you'll have a much happier and healthier dog. I won't go through and do the other ear as we did one ear to show you kind of generally what we do. But if you learned something from this video, please like and subscribe, share it even. Please comment. That would be awesome. If you have any, future questions that I could answer, in a video, that would be awesome as well. I appreciate your views, and please comment. And even Bella says, oh, she's trying to get away from me. She's like, get away! Please, comment for my mommy! Yay!